औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear listener, welcome back to my channel Zikre Karbala. So today we will discuss the miracle of the cloak of Hazrat Fatima Salamullah alaiha. So before starting it, I will present a hadith of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, the last prophet. Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, Fatima to umme abiha. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam had said, Fatima is the mother of her father. So why Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had said that Fatima is the mother of her father? So as the position of a mother is very high in every religion, so Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was such impressed with Hazrat Fatima. He was such impressed with Hazrat Fatima that he had accompanied that Hazrat Fatima to her mother. So he is saying that Hazrat Fatima is the mother of her father. So this is why he had said Hazrat Fatima as her mother in this hadith. So now we will move to our program's topic, which is the miracle of the cloak of Hazrat Fatima. Not the miracle of Hazrat Fatima, the cloak of Hazrat Fatima. So once Hazrat Ali alayhi salam had taken a loan from a Jew, a Yahudi. So that Yahudi requested for something that he can keep, as Hazrat Ali alayhi salam had taken the loan. So then Hazrat Ali alayhi salam had given him the cloak of Hazrat Fatima Salamullah alaiha, which was made up of wool. So then he took that cloak to his home, and then in a room he placed it on a throne, on a bed, and then he went away. So at night when her wife got up for some work, then she saw that some light was coming out from that room. In that room which Hazrat Fatima's cloak was present, from that room the light was coming. So the wife of the Jew saw it, and then she was surprised. She told her husband about it. When he came, then he also got shocked. He got surprised that this light is coming from this room. So after examining it carefully, he understood that this light was coming from the cloak of Hazrat Fatima Salamullah alaiha. So then he came out of his house, and then he gathered all his relatives and he told them about it. Same her wife did. She also gathered the relatives and told about it. Then the Jewish people came into that room where the cloak of Hazrat Fatima Salamullah alaiha was placed. So as they saw it, then they asked, what is this? Then the Jew told them that Hazrat Ali alayhi salam had taken a loan, and as he have taken a loan, he have given me to keep. So this is the cloak of Hazrat Fatima Salamullah alaiha, he told. Then at that same time 80 Jews accepted Islam, and then they became Muslim after reading the Kalma. So only hearing the word that this is the cloak of Hazrat Fatima, they have accepted Islam. 80 Jews had accepted Islam while reading the Kalma. So if this is the effect of the cloak of Hazrat Fatima, that the people will see it and then they will accept Islam. This is the miracle of that cloak, not the miracle of Hazrat Fatima. So after seeing that cloak, this is the effect of that cloak, that they have accepted Islam. What will be status and the position of Hazrat Fatima herself? If the position of the effect of her cloak is this much, what will be the effect of Hazrat Fatima herself? So I hope you all have understood and liked this episode. and understood the miracle of the cloak of Hazrat Fatima. So I hope you all have understood, and if have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel Zikre Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.
Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel Zikre Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.